Hello. Today I'm going to show you how a large group of entangling alliances in the early 20th century allowed Europe to enter into the First World War. So, in 1914, a Serbian assassin killed the heir to the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Because of this, Austria-Hungary then declared war on Serbia. Now, Serbia was allied to Russia at this time. So, once Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, Russia declared war on Austria-Hungary. Now, Austria-Hungary was allied to Germany at this time. So then, obviously, Germany then declared war on Russia. And Russia was allied to France. So then, France declared war on Germany and on Austria-Hungary. Now, Germany wanted to invade France through Belgium. So Germany declared war on Belgium. Now, Great Britain was allied to Belgium for strategic reasons. So when Germany declared war on Belgium, Great Britain, or the United Kingdom, declared war on Germany and Austria-Hungary, which would become known as the Central Powers. And Great Britain, France, Russia would become known as the Allied Powers, or the Triple Entente. And this would just be the beginning, as more countries would enter, such as Italy and the Ottoman Empire. But it was these core alliances and treaties that allowed the First World War to happen. Thank you.